NAC SoC Analyst course, Module 1, Introduction to SOC and Cybersecurity Basics. Welcome back to my channel, SoC Analyst. By the end of this module, you'll understand how SOC teams monitor, detect, and protect organizations from cyber threats, and why SOC analysts are the frontline defenders in cybersecurity. If you're looking to become a Tier 1, Tier 2, or Tier 3 SOC analyst, this is the roadmap you've been searching for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what skills, tools, and certifications you need to land your first SOC analyst job. What is SOC? Security Operations Center. A Security Operations Center, SOC, is like the command center of cybersecurity in an organization. It's where security experts monitor, detect, investigate, and respond to cyber threats 24/7. Think of a SOC as a digital police station. Just like police watch CCTV cameras, SOC analysts watch networks, systems, and applications. If hackers try to break in, SOC analysts detect, analyze, and stop the attack before damage happens. Key SOC functions. Monitoring. Watch network traffic, logs, and alerts. Detection. Identify suspicious or malicious activities. Response. Take action to stop or minimize attacks. Reporting. Document incidents and improve defenses. Roles of SOC analysts, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. SOC teams are usually divided into 3 tiers based on expertise and responsibilities. Tier 1, Alert Monitoring, Entry Level, First Line of Defense. Monitors dashboards and SIEM alerts, e.g. Splunk, Sentinel, QRadar. Triage alerts, decide which ones are real threats and which are false alarms. Escalate suspicious cases to Tier 2. Example, a Tier 1 analyst sees a login attempt from Russia at 3 a.m. and flags it as suspicious. Tier 2, Incident Investigation, Intermediate Level, performs deep investigation into alerts from Tier 1, uses advanced tools like Wireshark, CrowdStrike, and Splunk queries, looks for patterns, indicators of compromise, IOCs, and attacker techniques, works closely with threat intelligence teams. Example, Tier 2 digs deeper into that Russian login attempt to see if malware or phishing was involved. Tier 3, Threat Hunting and Response, Expert Level, handles complex, high-severity attacks, conducts proactive threat hunting, finding threats before alerts trigger, performs malware reverse engineering and deep forensic analysis, works with incident response teams to contain and eradicate threats. Example, Tier 3 might analyze ransomware code, track attacker infrastructure, and shut down the threat. Overview of cybersecurity concepts. Cybersecurity is all about protecting digital assets from unauthorized access, misuse, or damage. People, employees, users, attackers. Processes, security policies, incident response plans. Technology, firewalls, SIEMs, EDR tools, antivirus. Cybersecurity ensures that your data, systems, and applications remain safe and trustworthy. Example, just like you lock your house to keep intruders out, cybersecurity locks your digital assets. CIA Triad, Confidentiality, Integrity, Availability. The CIA Triad is the foundation of cybersecurity. Confidentiality protects sensitive data from unauthorized access. Example, using encryption to secure bank passwords. Integrity ensures data is accurate and unaltered. Example, making sure patient health records haven't been changed by hackers. Availability ensures systems and data are accessible when needed. Example, keeping a hospital's systems online during emergencies. Hook example, think of the CIA Triad like protecting your phone. Confidentiality equals locking it. Integrity, making sure no one changes your photos. Availability equals being able to access it anytime. Cybersecurity terminologies. Threat, anything that can harm your systems or data. Example, hackers, malware, phishing attacks. Vulnerability, a weakness in your system that attackers can exploit. Example, an unpatched server or weak password. Exploit, the method attackers use to take advantage of a vulnerability. Example, sending malicious code to bypass authentication. Risk, the potential damage caused if a threat exploits a vulnerability. Example, losing customer data after a ransomware attack. Interactive tip, think of it like this. Threat equals thief. Vulnerability, open window. Exploit, thief climbs in. Risk, your valuables get stolen.